What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Dealer Auto Auction here in Oklahoma City to look at some cars coming up in tomorrow's auction that I would be interested in bidding on. So let's jump into this today with number one on my list. Okay, I don't have a list, but it's number one on the video. It's a 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 with 49,000 miles on the odometer. This is turbo 4MATIC, so it's all-wheel drive. And this body style, you kind of either love it or you hate it. Personally, I love it. I think this thing is awesome. Sorry, a CLS 53, not a CLS 55. This thing looks sharp, in my opinion, and I know opinions will vary, but take a peek. Oh, it smells like premium luxury. That's what it smells like. Look at the cockpit. Tell me this thing is not beautiful. Carbon fiber everywhere, man. Oh my gosh. This is a dream. This is a Monkey Wrench Mike special right here. You can't tell me he would not be all over this car. All right, now we've seen it. Let's hop inside. Oh man. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I like this. I like this. Just carbon everywhere. Look how it just glows. It's so bright. Oh, it smells so good. It's running and I barely even hear it. Oh, you gotta do something about that. Don't we have exhaust modes? Can we kick that exhaust up a little bit? Oh, look at the GPS. The flickering is the camera. It's not actually doing that, but wow. And the screen, absolutely brilliant displays. Very nice. All right, let's crank the AC on. You know everything's gonna work on this. What does this car run? It's probably over 100 grand. That'd be my guess, 100 grand. It's a little older, it does have some miles on it, air conditioned seats, but this is really, really nice. Really nice. Put it in gear, drive. Yep, reverse. Look at that. Bird's eye view, very, very nice. This is a sick car. I would love to have it. Sport Plus. Does it change the exhaust note? Yeah, I don't see anything for changing the exhaust. You even got a camera. Your parking cameras, I guess. Oh, you can't touch the screen? Oh, that's weird. Well, it's got plenty of cameras to go through, though. Okay. Well, air conditioning should work, but I'll be honest with you, I'm not feeling it yet. I don't even know how to work it, man. Let's kick it up here. We'll turn it on auto. I'm sure the AC works. These vents just look amazing. These are absolutely beautiful. They have LEDs right in the middle, so they glow at night. Yeah, air conditioning is ice cold. Look at the steering wheel. I guess you can scroll through your menu options and stuff just by sliding your finger. Oh, yeah, look. Just by sliding your finger down the steering wheel, you can change options. Go back home, slide it over. Wow. That's pretty impressive. Then I'm guessing this one controls everything on this side of the dash. Yeah. Wow. 21.5 miles per gallon. Honestly, not bad. Important window? Of course. Less important window? Of course. Let's pop the trunk. And I would like to see the engine. The exhaust isn't nearly as impressive as I expected it to be. It's actually pretty dang quiet, especially for sport mode. No spare tire. Trunk closes like it's supposed to. Let's take a peek at this engine. Well, that's assuming I can find the latch. Okay, I'll be honest with you. I don't know what it is, but that is not a V8. There's no way that's a V8. Is it a straight 6? I think it's a straight 6. Okay, yeah, I'm lost. I don't know. This car is out of my wheelhouse, guys, but I would assume it's like a turbo straight 6. I thought this was going to be some big crazy V8 under the hood. That's disappointing. Well, what I'll do... Ooh, that air conditioning is really cold. My goodness. I'd like to turn it off now, if you don't mind. There we go. We'll just turn it down. Yeah, it definitely doesn't sound or look like a V8. So for that reason, well, I'm not out. But I'm probably out because of the price. So for those reasons, I'm out. Next, we have a 1994 BMW. I believe this is a 325. And obviously, it's the convertible. This thing is in pretty nice shape, and it's a manual. It's got brand new tires. You either love or hate the rims. I don't. Honestly, I probably would have liked the factory rims better, but whatever. It's got a lot of scrapes and scratches down the side. It's definitely not concourse quality, but you know, it's in decent shape. It'd be a good driver quality car. She looks really good. The top has been restitched, but it looks pretty good. Door card's in good shape. Seats are good. Manual transmission. Oh, that's what you want right there. Convertible top inside looks pretty nice. Clutch feels good. A little sloppy on the shifter, but not too shabby. Fired right up. Do we have no lights on the dash? Nothing? Just the parking brake, which you can turn that off. Wow. Okay. First gear? Yeah, she goes forwards. Now, how do you get it into reverse? That I don't remember. I had one of these. It might have been an automatic. I don't remember how to get it in reverse. Is there some, No? Okay, I don't remember how to do reverse, and I'm not going to mess it up. You got an aftermarket Kenwood deck right here. Sounds good, actually. I don't know what's going on here, but somebody tried to screw that back together. They had it screwed closed at one time. Somebody fixed it. The latch works now. We'll turn on that air conditioning. I would not expect the AC to work in a car this old. It might, though. Input date. Important window. Yes. We're not going to mess with the convertible top, but both windows work. Steering feels good. Brakes feel good. As far as AC goes, we got to turn that to cold and turn it over here. And oh yes, it has working air conditioning. Wow, that is nice. That is really cold air conditioning. Unfortunately, I don't see the miles on the dash there. I can't see anything on the dash at all. Signals? Yes. Lights? Yes. Brights? All of it. It all works. 97,000 miles is what it shows on the sticker. Cruise control is over there. Where are the windshield wipers? Anybody? Right here. Windshield wipers work as well. Man. This is pretty impressive. I wish I could figure out how to get it into reverse, because it doesn't. That's first, second, third, fourth, and then fifth. Reverse, you would think, would just be straight. Ah, there it is. Oh, why doesn't... There we go. There we go. I guess you just got to hit it. Never mind. You got to hit it just right. When you hit it right, you'll know. All right. She's got reverse. Well, see, there we go. Reverse. I guess it's something to take you a little time to get used to. I'm going to shut her down. She's in gear. She runs great, though. Really. Let's pop the hood. Maybe we can pop the trunk, too. She's in really good shape, as far as I can tell. Clutch felt nice and strong. The red paint, you know I love my red cars. Come on. Where's the, uh-oh. Well, I got it open. There's the engine. I mean, everything out of here looks pretty good. Looks like it's had a recent valve cover gasket. It's not leaking anything that I can see. This actually looks really good, guys. All right, let's see if we can get into the trunk. Just make sure it's not full of water or anything. It's got some stuff back here. I don't know what all this is. Some covers. Oh, this was the antenna. I do believe, could be wrong, but I think that is the antenna that used to go in there. Floor mats, things of that nature. It's not wet, it doesn't smell funky. I like it. It's not a high dollar car, but it is something that I like, so I'll put it on the list. All right, well, the more I'm here, the more I realize that you can actually test drive these things around the yard. I didn't know that. All this time I thought it was just forward and backward, but you got people out here like racing. They're like drag racing up and down the strip or something. Huh. Well, we're doing these things wrong, I suppose. So we're in an area called Santander, Consumer USA. All right, I know Santander because I've used them before. So this is going to be repossessions, and we were talking about this before. You've got Santander Consumer right here. You've got Chrysler Capital all up here. Looks like you got Santander over there as well. So I could walk you guys around with me, or I could just wander around myself and let's see if we can find anything in the repossession lanes, because that is what we're looking for. So here's one from Chrysler Capital. It's a little rough. It's a 2016 with 86,500 miles on it. It's an Optima Turbo, and if you guys have watched the channel for any length of time, you know I love these. This is an SXL, so I'm guessing it's got like an extended wheelbase. I didn't even know that existed. Diamond stitch leather interior, very nice. Panoramic sunroof. She's a little bit cosmetically challenged up front though, and I hate when the airbag seams come apart like that. It's just a really bad look. It's got what appears to be good tires all the way around. Some damage to the front here. Oh, and there it goes, all of my stuff. I didn't realize I left my pouch open here. I got a USB thumb drive and some batteries there. Looks like it's got a radar right there as well. The front end took a bit of a crunch. Looks like it's only cosmetic though, and it's a white color. It's super easy to duplicate. There's that GDI Turbo. Looks stock. Everything under here looks stock to me. It's got a busted windshield, so you're gonna need a windshield. This headlight's got a crack in it too, so you need to replace that headlight. Front bumper, probably still a clean title though. And I like this. Oh, I kind of miss mine. Some of you guys get in the comment section and you hate on Kia and Hyundai, and I just don't get it, man. I don't know if you hadn't driven one lately, and you're just remembering like Kia and Hyundai from the 90s, or what the deal is. They make some great cars. Yeah, every car manufacturer's got its problems, guys. I know that Hyundai and Kia currently is kind of known for engines blowing rods, and you know, yeah, sure, there is a manufacturing defect somewhere. It sucks, but at least they extended the warranty on all of those cars that could be affected, and they put a new engine in for you. So I like them. Unfortunately, this one does not start, and I didn't bring my booster pack, so I'm not going to put this one on my list. So now we're getting back into Santander. That one's got oil leaking all over underneath it, like pouring out. The bumper's mashed up on it. Bumper's mashed up on this one as well. There may be a little bit of suspension damage there, maybe not. Some of these are pretty rough, guys. God, this one too. This one's got oil pouring out from under it as well. That ain't good, guys. So far, I'm not very interested in the ones that are sitting over here. So what we'll do is we'll just continue our tour. We'll keep on walking, and we'll see if there's anything else that floats my boat. Looks like we're getting into some trucks. I don't even know if I can get through here. Yes, I can. God dang. Nice little Ram 1500 with some damage. These are all work trucks. Got an FJ. I don't know. Should we look at it? 2014 with 122,000 miles on the odometer. I don't know. Part of me likes these and thinks that I want one. And part of me just is like, don't do it. Don't do it. All right. We've got a really nice Yukon. Is this a Yukon? GMC Suburban. I hate that GMC has so many names for the same car, you know? Chevy Suburban, GMC Yukon, Chevy Tahoe. They got so many dadgum names for such similar vehicles. 159,000 miles. This doesn't look too bad. Those wheels are pretty nice too. They really make it look good, I think. They take a dated look and they really make it look better. We got another Ram, We're getting into a bunch of trucks, guys. I'm not really looking for a truck. We saw this one last week and I missed it. Hopefully that one's still on my watch list. I wasn't extremely interested in it, but I was a little bit interested in it. Here's you an F2 Nifty right here. You want to talk about something that's lifted, man. There's a 2022, 10,000 miles on the odometer, F250 with the Power Stroke. Of course, I'd rather be coming than stroking, but you know, to each their own. I can still appreciate a good looking truck, regardless of whether it's my kind of truck or not. FX4, nice leather. Smells good too. Man, it smells good. Oh, this is nice. Comes with 2 key fobs too. Big screen. Oh, let me climb up in this. I wasn't going to. I was not going to look at this one, but that screen got my attention. I'm a sucker for big screens. Oh yeah, she fires right up. Boy, that steering is heavy. That steering is very, very heavy. 13.5 average miles per gallon. That is really bad. 13.5. Wow, that's really, really bad. My Ram, if I'm not hauling, just cruising, highway, city combined, I'm getting 20. 20. No way, man. No way. I'm not actually interested in this truck. This thing's gonna go for a premium. It's lifted, it's got big wheels, you know, Power Stroke, only 10,000 miles. Yeah, she's gonna go for some money, guys. I'm not looking to spend that kind of money at this auction, not on one vehicle. All right, well, should we continue on? I think we're running out, guys. We got a Kia Forte. I'm gonna pass on that right now. We got an Escalade ESV up there, sitting on some pretty big wheels, but truthfully, I don't think I'm looking for that either. Cars over there that are missing paint and body panels, I think we can pass those up as well. An Impala, the front end is a different color. Yeah. No, body lines don't match up on this one. And I think that's it. We're done. That's going to be it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. If you want to go a step further, you can share the video with your friends on social media. It goes a long way to help out. Thank you to each and every one of you for taking time to watch my videos. Till next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.